Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to see or view all your social media account password if you forgot it. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings on your phone, click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on Google right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on Password Manager. So when you click on Password Manager, you are going to see everything right here. You can see Facebook account. So you can click on the actual account that you want to fill the password. Enter your security lock pattern right here or passkey and hit enter. In a few seconds, you're going to see all the password that is going to line up right here. Then from here, you can click on this eye icon, which allows you to fill the password, just like what you see right here. If I click on here also, you will see the password. It's that simple. Then you can go back here, you can review and see as many as possible password of your social media account and your Google and etc. in this particular password manager sections right here. So if you forgot your password, this is the best way you can fill it and recover the password back without any stress. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.